I love working here because I find it's like a community more than anything.
Credu fod y ddiwylliant o ran gweithio yn y cynulliad yn ardderchog.
One of the main things that I love about working here is the opportunity to get involved in such a diverse range of different activities and events, functions.
It's fun and it's an enjoyable place to be.
Dwi'n caru gweithio yma am ddau reswm. Yn gyntaf, dwi'n cael gwneud gwaith gwahanol bob diwrnod.
It's a lovely place to come to work and it's an iconic place.
Dwi'n mwynhau ac yn ymfalchio gweithio i sefydliad sy'n mor allweddol i fywydau bobl Cymru.
I really like the people that I work with across all the different teams.
Mae fe'n grêt gallu cael yr hyblygrwydd i gallu gweithio ran amser, gwario amser yn fab un wythnos a dal bod yn rhan o prosiectau mawr o fewn y sefydliad.
Dwi'n caru gweithio yma oherwydd bod e'n challenge. Mae rhywbeth gwahanol yn digwydd yma pob dydd.
I love the people I work with.
Mae'r gwaith yn hynod ddiddorol ac yn amrywiol a mae'n lle da i weithio.
Because I feel like I don't have to hide who I am. And yeah, the annual leave and the pay are pretty great too.
Ac yn ail, y lleoliad. Mae cyrraedd y bai bob bore yn fy ysbrydoli ar ddechrau bob diwrnod gwaith.
You're really valued, you're very respected. It doesn't matter what job role that you have, your creativity and your skills are really appreciated into absolutely everything that we do.